Hello, my name is Lander Galdos. I'm the coordinator of Embryo Eitm manufacturing project. You know that the image that society, young people, teenagers have about manufacturing is not the good one. We think this is a dirty sector, boring, low paid, and so on. And this is not true. The people we work in research, we know that our companies, they are producing very high-tech products using very high technology, deformation and manufacturing processes. With the aim to change this perception, we launched Embryo project. We have created new lectures for secondary schools. We have launched a new manufacturing kit for them in order that our pupils and our children learn about manufacturing having a fun time. I hope you like it.
Together with the two universities, Mondragon and Darmstadt, we created a learning course that accumulates in the creation of a tabletop metal press to be used in classrooms. The metal press is controlled with an Arduino design control board with incorporated Grove connector components such as buttons, rotary angle sensors, and other actuators. Together with the control board and press, there are several lessons that teach electronics. We created 5 lessons, going from basic Arduino to turn an LED on or off, to more advanced learning on how to control a motor. The 5 Arduino lessons end in the control and using of the metal press, through learning how to assemble the control board and read the finished code. With the lesson and control of the press, we hope to engage young students in manufacturing, helping to pave the way to smart factories and Industry 4.0.
A scientist studies what is, whereas an engineer creates what never was. These famous words by Theodor von Karman hold true since decades. Being an engineer is all about creativity and knowledge of possibilities. Just like a musician needs his instrument or a painter needs his palette, an engineer needs to know about the many tools at his disposal. In the lectures on manufacturing, we strive to equip pupils with what could be called a basic toolset of production engineering. Within the course, pupils get to know about the different kinds of manufacturing processes, how they relate to each other, and how to successfully combine them. We also talk about the somewhat surprising behavior of metals when a force big enough is applied to them. This will come in handy as we progress further to have a closer look on forming operations. Pupils get to know about the vast variety of processes in this domain. After all, there's much more to it than just simple forging. As an example, bending operations are picked. We talk about the challenges and possibilities in their design and have a look at what happens in the material while bending. With that knowledge, pupils are finally ready to get to the very heart of the course, the miniature-sized bending press.
After the pupils finish with the Arduino programming courses on one hand and the manufacturing courses on the other, we jump to the students' manufacturing project, which is based on project-based learning or PBL teaching methodology. During this project, the students put into practice the skills and concepts learned in the courses. Furthermore, they face the challenges of designing and manufacturing a product as it happens in the industry. This project has 3 technical skill development parts. First, a mini press is assembled by the pupils part by part, and the electrical parts are connected to an Arduino board. Then a setup of the press is carried out so the pupils learn how they perform a bending operation and ensure the good functioning of the press. Third and last is the challenge of the project. The challenge consists on the pupils designing a new product of their own and try to bend it with soft materials in the mini press they have been working with previously. After finishing the previous tasks, the pupils will share their creation and all the process and problems they have tackled during the challenge with the rest of the pupils. This promotes the interaction between pupils of Spain and Germany and develops skills of transmitting information to people of other nationalities.